This is what I'm talking about, man. This is what I'm talking about, man. This is what I'm talking about ABRIBA. You understand? Individually, all the houses, everything, individually. No government rubbish here. It's individual building. No be bubble juice. ABRIBA be this. No be whining. Ani eme mpianya, man. Adi emi fe mpianya, man. God, man. Wow. I swear. I want them car. Individually, oh, this one is individual wealth. Or if ABRIBA jiburu. Individual wealth. This is ABRIBA for you. Individual wealth, no be government. Government no dey do anything for this place. All the house where you dey see for ABRIBA. All the house where you dey see. See am. You dey see am. Na ABRIBA be this. We don't wait for the government before we pimp our land. This is ABRIBA for you. A village, oh. This is a village. This is my village. So Biafrans, this is ABRIBA for you. Individual wealth. We don't wait for the government. Aranaba government. Individual wealth. We dey build everything. Adamwa. Individual wealth. I want to show these people something they don't know. They think Makani. Actually, me you want everybody the wulu. Eraba chikwa wanch. Yes. And the we akpopo. Worokbo. Makani. Masini everybody akpopo. Yes. Meru rishi. Na kofi akwa. I bundo mokbo. We get money, no be shoot bird, mama fly. Na ABRIBA be this. We don't wait for the government to start building for us. We build everything by ourselves. That is ABRIBA for you. We build everything by ourselves. We don't wait for the government before we put ABRIBA in order. So people of ABRIBA should rise up and support Biafra. If we stand up and support Biafra, Biafra is restored. This is ABRIBA for you. This is ABRIBA for you. Another one is still going on there. It's not yet finished. This is it. This is ABRIBA for you, man. Can you see it? I am ABRIBA in that book. Yes. Onishanka. Now so it be. Individual wealth, no be government can. Yes. Now come say Muluna. Individual wealth. This is our people. No. Everywhere na wealth, no be shoot bird, mama fly. This place na village, oh, no be city, no be town. This place na village, no be city, oh. This place na village. Now you dey see all this building. That is to tell you that Biafrans are blessed, especially in the ABRIBA. We are blessed so much. Individuals. We don't wait for the government to build anything for us here. We build our everything, our electricity, everything. We fix it. This is ABRIBA for you. That's why I know what I'm saying. I'm telling people that ABRIBA is small London. When they tell you that ABRIBA is small London, it's because of all these statues you are seeing here. Hefty buildings. Hefty buildings. If these people come out and support Biafra, we are gone overnight. Anything we are looking for, we get them. This is ABRIBA for you. Look around. Look around. Look around. Look around. This is ABRIBA for you. We build everything here. We don't wait for the government before we start our buildings. We build everything. Is ABRIBA for you. Is ABRIBA for you. Is ABRIBA for you. This is ABRIBA. This is ABRIBA for you. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. We don't wait. We build everything by ourselves in this community. We don't wait for the government. I'm ABRIBA. ABRIBA in the abali. So a line did abali. E line koshikwa. It support our Biafra struggle. If we support Biafra struggle, ABRIBA, you see Biafra coming tomorrow, next tomorrow. Because we are great people. I'm still showing you people, I'm not done. I still have to walk to the other road too. Where you see mansions. No government this thing here. Even the government, they don't know how these people do all these things here. The government are even marveled. The governments, they are marveled. If they come to this place, they get marveled. Because of Ilenda Breba de Jack Mabaya. Yes. Etiani. Who know they for ya? Huh? Ese? Ele side or side borders, huh? Poto yuma. Ugweji. Yes. Magangwa. So yes, my brother, tell them that ABRIBA na kpokpo. Tell them ABRIBA na kpokpo.
Even they got Uwezi wa side borders wa Opoto yung AK small boy wa even I didn't make ya na fan.
Ulo di too much.
SS.
Tell them that I be con one them come to I dey check government before I hear anything.
But we have check government and we government ado di no boda sir.
Aka government adi no boda. Thank you my brother. All hail Biafra. God bless you. Aka government adi no boda. Cha. Aka government adi no boda. This is what we do individually. This is why they call us ABRIBA or Gamba Kamba. This is ABRIBA for you. You can't count the buildings. It's uncountable. You will get tired of counting. You will get tired of counting. Oh, you will get tired of counting. Buildings everywhere. Everywhere. I've not started though. If I decide to start doing this today, 1 week will pass. I will not even stop. Let me stop for here. Yes. Ejilami Ozubowa. Ozubowa fulere. Makani o. Ka. Kani. Yes. Yes, I am Bali. Yes, Kani ma. Ka. I'm greeting them. This is ABRIBA for you. Look around. This is ABRIBA. ABRIBA Kingdom. The ancient ABRIBA Kingdom. Does this place look like a village? No. This place is not a village, my friend. Does this place look like any village to you? Which village is like this? Which village? Name the village. Call the name of the village. For where it is? You don't go see them for anywhere. Now for only for ABRIBA you go to see them. Mighty buildings. Mighty structures. Everywhere. I beg, make I stop here. I will stop here, I beg. This is what we are telling in the ABRIBA. We are telling in the ABRIBA to the us. They need to support Biafra. They need to support Biafra among the ABRIBA. Kani. Yes, this is ABRIBA for you. This is ABRIBA for you. This is another building. Another one. DJ Kali said another one. This one is another one. Another mighty building. In the village, oh. Not in the city, not in Aba, not in anywhere. This is Biafra land. Ageme woko. Kamga wona khoni. Oh. Ageme woko. Msi kam video too. Imagine when Biafra comes and the government starts helping us. Imagine what we are going to build in this community. We don't wait for the government before we build our community. We build everything by ourselves. True of us. True. Can one name? Yes. ABRIBA community. This is ABRIBA for you. If these people come out and support Biafra struggle, oh my God, how much are we looking for? We get everything. We will get everything we are looking for. Look, I want people to see the kind of building these people are building in the village. Village, oh, not town. This is ABRIBA. This is ABRIBA Ancient Kingdom. ABRIBA Ancient Kingdom. This is a village, not a town. This is the kind of houses you find in my village. That is why we are urging the ABRIBA to support Biafra struggle. God bless Biafra. All hail Biafra. God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. You see, abeg kamga wa huyi biko. Tofia akwa. Ndị ABRIBA unu dey egwu. Ndị ABRIBA dey egwu. Why dey too much? The land of milk, honey and sugar. The land of great men. The land of wealth. Biafra land. We are too much. God bless Biafra. Biafra will help you.